Hi, I'm Bill Whalen, host of the Hoover Institution's GoodFellows show. Next week, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to let you, our faithful YouTube community, ask the questions and set the topics. Have a question for one or all three of our GoodFellows, or maybe there's a topic we haven't covered yet that you'd like to hear them kick around. Here's your chance to be the producer of our show. How do you do this? It's easy. Go to the following web address, hoover.org/askgoodfellows to submit your question. And repeat that for you. hoover.org/askgoodfellows. And make sure you tune in next week to see our question time episode of GoodFellows. We'll see you then. And thanks for watching our show.